Hello everyone, welcome back once more to my channel. My name is Jextoro, and today we're going to be opening a 2017 Mega Tin of Kaiba. So we already opened the 2017 Mega Tin of Yugi and Yugimoto. Yami Yugi and Yugimoto. And now we are going to open the Kaiba one. So I'm excited. I had the Dark Magician, now we're going to have the Blue Eyes. Let's see what is going inside. There you go. Strength. Let's see. So we are going to open this. And the Blue Eyes White Dragon, typical pose of Blue Eyes. We have seen that one so many times in the past. Let me move this one away so the camera can autofocus easily. And let's open it. So 3 Mega Tin packages and the promos. So we got us. Let me open it. So we got Blue Eyes White Dragon in the side pose, showing his profile, and then the next one is going to be another Proxy Dragon. In the Yugi one, you can get Proxy Dragon as well. And then you got another Pot of Desire. Seems that the only one that changed is going to be Dark Magician or the Blue Eyes White Dragon, but let's see. Maybe we can change. Oh, 68 Snafond the Sky Prison. Oh, I think this one is different. And yes, Elder Entity Entities. So they are giving me a hard time with the names again. And we got a Kaiba token. Nice. So let's open this. So we are guaranteed one secret rare, one super rare, a rare, and a super rare, and ultra rare. Each package contains 16 cards. So let's open it because I'm excited and I want to see what is inside. So we got Double Cipher. Nice. Trap. Paleozoic Lian Colia. Ancient Gear Howitzer, nice. And then Gendo, the Aesthetic Monk, nice. And then Dwarf, Dwarf Star Dragon Planeter. And we start with the foils. It's gonna be, no, it's not the foils yet. Digital Bug Co-Condenser. So now we start the foils. And it's gonna be Paleozoic Opabinia. Ah, I already got this one. Come on, give me a different one. And we got... Oh my god! We got Ghost Reaper and the Winter Cherries. This is one of the trap cards that you can use from your hand. It's a monster trap card. Nice! Oh my god! This is so good now. Okay, we can move on this way. And we got Ghost Reaper. Oh my god. And then Metal Pose. Oh, the name is Mithrilium. A fusion. And we got Assault Blackwing Seiyo, the Rain Hider. Nice. From Crow. I'm watching Yu-Gi-Oh! 5DS, so now I'm getting into the characters, and I know the Blackwings are from Crow. That's my favorite character from 5DS series. Till now, I haven't finished yet. So let's put it here. And Bad Aim, Book Matrix, Assault Blackwing, nice. Zodiac, Bunny Blast, Ritual Beast Return, and Paleozoic Oleonoids, nice. But I'm so excited because we got Ghost Reaper, nice, and it's first edition secret rare. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So let's see what is in the next one. Another Ghost Reaper. Come on. And we got Shinobird Power Spot. Nice. Kuben. Oh, you know what? I like this art. It's so good. So cute. Kuben. And then Cypher Twin Raptor. Empowerment. Symphonic Warrior Mix. Wrecked Panda. Oh, I remember this one from Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. I had it. I have this one. It's an ultra rare. Here's a common. It's weird. Okay, I think the foils are coming now. And another Paleozoic Anomalicaris. Come on, give me another thing that is not that one. So, as a secret rare, we're going to have a magic. What can be? Oh my god, Magician! Dark Magician Circle! For my Spellcaster deck. Good! Oh, I'm so happy. You don't know. I'm so happy. I have my second Dark Magician Circle now. Good. Oh my god, no, wait! Floodgate Trap Hole. Nice! This is another one so good in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links as well. And oh my god, I cannot explain. So excited. I'm so excited. And then Super Anti-Kaiju War Machine Mecha Dogoran. So long the name. Anyways, as a rare. And then Performable Bubble Whoa. And then Cypher Mirror Knight. Nice. And then Dragodis, the Empowered Warrior. Why they make names so difficult? And then Paleozoic Mamerella. And then Rocket Hand. Sorry. And then Gear Yankor. Gear Yankor. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. And the last one. What can we get from this one? I'm so excited. Let's see. Master with Eyes of Blue. We got that one already in Secret Rare, so come on, we can get another different. And then Kristen Tisburn. You can see my opening of Legendary Collection Kaiba. You will like that one. And then Kristen Tisburn. Forbidden Dark contract with the Swap King. Performable Radish Horse. Magician's Robe. Oh, I like this one. Is that a sign? Then Buck Emergency. I think the foils are coming. Metamorphation. Nice. It's a field spell. It's for Metal Foes. As a Dimensional Barrier! Wow! I just saw that this one is one of the expensive ones in this set. No way! Oh wow! Dimensional Barrier! Nice! Awesome! Nice! This box... Oh wait! Stardust Silver Divine Dragon! I have two of those ones! Nice! I'm so excited. Oh, good. This box was much better than the Yugi one. Sorry, Yugi, but Kaiba, this one is better than you. Fusion Parasite. Nice. So nice. Dynamist Ankylos. And then Assault Blackwing. Nice. Cypher Beat. Nice. Shinobi Calling. And then Dino Sewing, and Red Warp. This box, epic box. We cannot say that this is not a good box because let me pull everything again. Wait, and these ones. So we got the Metamorphormation, and then we got Paleozoic Anomalicaris, Paleozoic Opavinia, and then Stardust Silver Divine Dragon. Nice! Floodgate Trap Hole. This is getting better and better. And then Metal Foes Mithrilium. And then Dimensional Barrier. Nice! And then Dark Magical Circle. And then Ghost Reaper Winter Cherries. Come on. And then Blue Eyes. And then Elder Entity Man. And Elder Entity And then number 68 because it's too long. Pot of Desires. Proxy Dragon. And Token of Kaiba. So, please, you have to give me a thumbs up and you like this video as me. Come on. And also subscribe, share it with your friends, and please, I will appreciate it if you give me some likes. So see you soon and see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.